EzCoworker is an AI-powered collaborative platform designed to streamline workflows, automate tasks, and enable intelligent assistance across a wide range of business and technical use cases. The platform begins with a secure login interface, providing authorized users with quick and seamless access to the EzCoworker workspace. After login, the EzCoworker dashboard opens, serving as a centralized environment for AI-driven collaboration, content generation, knowledge management, and task automation. The platform combines multiple AI capabilities within a single workspace to improve productivity and decision-making. Several ready-to-use prompt templates are available to accelerate common tasks, explain the code, build a dashboard, create an executive command center, create a marketing presentation. These prompts can be selected as is or customized to meet specific business requirements. EzCoworker supports multiple AI models, allowing the most suitable model to be selected based on the task at hand. Different models can be chosen to optimize performance, reasoning, creativity, or response quality. For added convenience, auto mode can be enabled. This feature automatically selects the most appropriate model based on the prompt and task requirements, reducing manual effort and improving efficiency. The chat interface allows questions, requests, and tasks to be submitted directly to the AI assistant. Multiple files can also be uploaded and analyzed within the same conversation. Documents can be summarized, reviewed, interpreted, or used as contextual information to generate more accurate responses. The Settings section provides access to available skills. Skills can be enabled or disabled based on current requirements, allowing the workspace to be tailored for specific tasks, workflows, or business functions. Once a request is submitted, the AI agent begins processing the task. Progress can be monitored while the platform analyzes inputs and generates the requested output. After processing is complete, results are displayed directly within the chat. Generated files can also be downloaded for further review, sharing, or business use. The left navigation panel provides access to chat history, making it easy to revisit previous conversations and review earlier outputs. Individual chat sessions can be reopened at any time, while the new chat option allows fresh conversations to be created instantly. The My Preferences section enables personalization of the user experience, allowing platform settings and workspace behavior to be adjusted according to individual requirements.
Creating a new skill. The My Skills section allows users to create custom skills tailored to specific business processes and use cases. A new skill can be created by selecting the New Skill option and defining the required functionality. Skills help standardize workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and deliver consistent AI-powered assistance across teams. During skill creation, relevant information, instructions, files, and configurations can be added to define the skill's behavior and expected outcomes. Once configuration is complete, a summary page provides an overview of the skill definition before submission. After reviewing the summary, the Create Draft option is used to generate the initial version of the skill. Additional sections, such as content, files, review thread, auto checks, and history, are available to support validation and governance throughout the lifecycle of the skill. To proceed with approval, the skill is submitted through the review thread workflow, ensuring proper review and quality control before publication. The submitted skill then appears in the review queue, where its current review status can be monitored. Next, the administrator accesses the admin portal and navigates to the skill review queue. Only authorized administrators can review, approve, and publish submitted skills. This approval process helps maintain consistency, quality, and governance across the platform. Once approved, the Publish to Catalog option becomes available. Publishing makes the skill accessible for broader use within the organization. The skill is now successfully published and ready to use within the EzCoworker ecosystem.
After logging in, the Admin Console dashboard provides a centralized view of platform activities, user management, organizational insights, and administrative controls.
The dashboard serves as the primary workspace for monitoring and managing the EzCoworker environment. Activity section. The Activity section provides visibility into actions performed across the platform. Administrators can review system events, monitor user activity, and track operational updates to maintain oversight of platform usage and engagement. Users. The Users section allows administrators to view and manage registered users within the organization. User details, account information, and access-related settings can be reviewed and managed from a single location. Conversations. The Conversations section provides access to user interactions across the platform. Administrators can review conversation history, monitor user usage patterns, and gain insights into how users are interacting with AI-powered capabilities. User Preferences. The User Preferences section allows administrators to review and manage configuration settings that influence the user experience across the platform. These preferences help maintain consistency and alignment with organizational requirements. Models. The Models section provides visibility into the AI models available within the platform. Administrators can review model configurations and manage model-related settings based on organizational needs. Performance. The Performance section helps monitor platform health and operational efficiency. Key metrics and performance indicators provide insights into system behavior and overall platform utilization. Organization Overview. The Organization Overview section presents a consolidated view of organizational data, including users, resources, and platform activity. This area helps administrators understand adoption, engagement, and overall platform utilization across the organization. Members. Selecting members displays the users associated with the organization. Administrators can review member information, monitor account status, and access user-specific management options from this section. User Details. Selecting an individual user provides detailed information relating to that account. Administrators can review user-specific configurations, assign permissions, and other relevant account details to support effective user management. Roles and Custom Roles. The Roles section is used to manage access control within the platform. Existing roles can be reviewed and custom roles can be created to meet specific organizational requirements. This flexibility ensures that users receive appropriate permissions based on their responsibilities.
The Users and Roles section enables administrators to assign and manage user permissions efficiently. By selecting Edit Roles, different roles can be assigned to users based on business requirements. Once updated, the new role assignments are reflected within the platform, ensuring users have access to the appropriate features and resources. This role-based access control mechanism helps maintain security, governance, and operational efficiency across the organization. Administrators can easily update permissions as team responsibilities evolve, ensuring that access remains aligned with current business needs. This flexibility helps reduce manual administration while maintaining consistent access policies across departments. Skill Registry. The Skill Registry serves as the central repository for all skills available within the platform. Administrators can review registered skills, manage skill configurations, and organize skills according to business requirements. Skill categories can be modified using the available category drop-down options, making it easier to organize and maintain skills across different domains and use cases. The Manage Access functionality provides additional control by allowing visibility settings to be configured based on user roles. Administrators can determine which users or role groups have access to specific skills, ensuring appropriate governance and controlled access throughout the organization. The Storage section provides visibility into platform storage utilization and resource management. The Skills section enables administrators to review available skills and efficiently manage their configurations and accessibility across the platform. Thank you for watching.